Here are 4 sketch graphs. Circle the letter of the sketch graph that represents y equals 3 times 2 to the x. The first part of this to look at is the 2 to the x. When we have an exponential graph, they either go this way or they go this way. That's provided the constant here is positive. To go this way, we have a value of the constant here. Let's say that this is a to the x we're considering. We have an a which is greater than 1. For the graph to go the other way, a is between 0 and 1. So the graph that we have must slope in this direction, and that means that we can eliminate b. And we can eliminate a. They just slope in the wrong direction. Now, consider y equals 3 times 2 to the x. What happens when x is equal to 0? Y is going to be 3 times 2 to the 0. We know 2 to the 0 is 1, so that's just equal to 3. So the intercept must be at 0, 3. And that means it's this one, not this one.